Hello friends, welcome to another unboxing. This is the ORSDA pet drinking fountain. 67 ounces or 2 liters of, has a pump in here. This is what, 302 stainless steel. Nice, and should be nice and quiet. Dishwasher safe on some of this, so easy to clean. Here we have the replacement filters on there. That is cool. And then check that out. There's our little water level right here in the front, so we can see how much water they have left. Nice and smooth here. No like crevices that's gunk's going to get caught up in. Okay, as you can see right there, not a lot of parts here. So the filter goes right in that little area there. Nice little filter pad there we can just put in there, and that just clicks into place. That's easy to work with. Comes with a manual as well as a little cleaning thing if you need to. Okay, and here is the pan portion here. Has a little diagram there on the bottom where the motor's going to go, so that's super convenient. But like, as you can see, nice quality stainless steel here. Just throw this in the dishwasher or whatever if you need to clean it, so not a problem. Or as you can see, there's not a lot of like difficult areas to clean here, so should be good to go here. All right, so this comes a little plug-in here and USB, but it also has this. Comes with the actual adapter too, so that's kind of nice, because sometimes they don't. Sometimes they're just a USB cord, and like, where am I going to plug this into if you don't have it? So almost a 6-foot cord there. That's nice, gives you a little bit of distance. And then we have our little motor here for the cat fountain, so that's cool. I will be plugging this in and running this. So looks like this here, just the little suction cups, just like as it shows you, just put those on there. I think we have like a little light here too, so that's cool. Take out the inside blue impeller to clean weekly. Okay, so it's recommended that you clean this weekly. Obviously you don't want any yucky stuff getting in there. Okay, so this has a nice little rubber part right there, and we just lock this right into the bowl there. So that's cool. So you don't have wire coming in out of like a weird angle. It's a nice sealed off area there, so water's not going to splash, and then that can just plug in. Okay, this portion here also is just going to go right on top of our pump motor. So that's just going to fit right down there like that. That's pretty much all there is. We're going to fire this thing up and show you guys. You can see that nice little window there. That's going to allow you to see like how much water you have available. Okay, let's supposed to be super quiet too. So I'm going to fill this up with water, see how the cats like it. I got this nice little reservoir, and where the water is going to be either up here or down here. It's kind of away from the edges. So like my cat, he likes to lick. He'll go right to the edge of the bowl and lick, and like half the water's on the floor. So I like how they have to go in a little closer over here and drink, and that way it's just not going to splash everywhere. So let's put some water in here and see how the cats like it. Hey friends, okay, so here we have it plugged in right here. You can see the little water level right here has a little light in there, so it illuminates that, so you can see that. There's almost no noise at all, so it's really quiet. So I'll go ahead and, there's this one fountain here, and then you can just switch this out. Pretty much just pull this plug right out here. It's a nice thick rubber portion there, so it's not going to break off. And then this one just goes back in there like that. Just kind of push it down into the hole there, just like that, and that should fit right like that. Pops into place. We can plug it back in, and it has this little fountain feature. So both of them are pretty quiet. Don't really hear a lot of noise, because one of our cats is really skittish and doesn't like a lot of noise, so that would like kind of scare them if there's like a lot. too much. So that is cool. If we take this off here, and we have our little filter right here. Just push this in and pull it upwards, just like that, and that can be changed out. But the water just runs down through that and out of that filter. Here's our little motor, just fits on there nicely. As you can see, it's super easy to clean. It has this little light here that turns on when we turn it on. But there's a little motor in here that needs to be, you take that out and clean that out once a week. But other than that, there's this. I'll switch that over to the other fountain one here. And just make sure that this little back part lines up with that. But it's really easy to put this in and out, as you can see. Just turn that and then push it down and it locks right into place. Everything in here is like nice and convenient and easy to work with. No problem. I just gotta find my cat now and see if he is thirsty. So let's do that. All right, this is Boogie. He is our outgoing cat, and here he is at the water fountain. He, yeah, worked great for him. He didn't really spill any water or anything. Not afraid of it at all. And, yeah, it seemed like he enjoyed the water drinking experience here. So I wasn't able, we have two cats, but our other cat, he's very skittish of things, and he did not want to try out the water fountain. So, but I think he takes a while to, like, anything new around him, he takes a while to get used to it. So Boogie, on the other hand, is very outgoing, and they're completely opposite. But as you can see, this water bowl is very nice. He's not splashing water all over the place as he's drinking. And yeah, it's just a really easy to clean. If you need to like take it out, you can put it in the dishwasher. The filter is easy to put in and out. And all in all, just a great little water bowl for your cats here. And Boogie really seems to enjoy it also. He's a very good cat. So he's always quick to do a review also. So I think he's about done here, but it looks like it's cat approved.